Hello guys, Donna Lisa with Zuda Info here. I'm at the famous Gibson Donuts in Memphis, Tennessee. If you're ever in Memphis and you want some really great donuts, you want to come on 760, I think Mendenhall, to Gibson Donuts. They have the best donuts in the city, seriously. And people come here like at 2 o'clock in the morning to get donuts. So I'm going to try to go in on the inside and see what we have. But yeah, this is a place that's famous for donuts here. So if you guys are ever in Memphis, come to Gibson Donuts. I'm gonna go in. Oh, I'm telling you, my legs are killing. My foot is killing me. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go in. Let's see. Oh, look. Do you see what you want? Hey, do you have the donut holes? I need 24 of them. 24 of them. 2 dozen. Thank you. Look at this, guys.
Right. And I will take the Dr. Pepper.
Okay. Look at the goodies. Oh, wow. Okay.
Oh yeah, listen. We all get, if you're getting that kind of bill, we're all getting it from the same place.
All right, guys. This is bacon. Okay.
All right, there you sir.
You're welcome. You have a nice day.
I'll grab drinks and donut.
The young lady, she went back to get it for me. Thank you. All right. You see the old menu? You see the aesthetics of it? Gibson's Donuts. All right, guys. Just showing you the little place of this little donut shop. Memphis, Tennessee. Donna Lisa with Zuda Info.